Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use gradient color on Artboard on Freepik Designer. So if you want to get the gradient color on this artboard or canvas, then you can easily get it. So first of all, you need to enter this website freepik.com/designer. Then you'll get the interface by default like this. So now click here, you can see this one, it's color plate, it's a black color plate. Click the color plate, and this is the solid color, so you can take solid color, and beside that the right side it's called a gradient color. Click here, then you can get the gradient color. So by default there is some color here, or if you want to get it's a gradient, then you can click here. You just click here, this one you can make it. If you click here, then you can also take this way. If you want to add more color, gradient color, then also you keep your cursor on this line, then you can see the plus icon, simply click here. It means added another color. So I'm just going to add something different. Maybe this time I'm just you can do it very good, or you can, if you're a designer, you know how to use this color code, or you can also make it radial or linear. So you can make it angle, or you can give the manual angle here. So there are a lot of things. If you want to just close it, or maybe linear, so this way you can make it like this, 19 or 30, or if you have the custom code, then you can use it here. So this way you can use the gradient color on your artboard on Freepik Designer. So okay friend, today is no more, and see you in the next video.